Oh wait, dude.
Yeah. How do you know that?
Perfect. Walking along this thing goes to the castle ruins.
Really?
Just walking along this, like look, it's right here. How long? We just
A
follow
big
it.
stick
to get
bug.
here.
Oh, okay.
Dude, that's why I never came to see it.
I've not seen it. My food is here. Two.
Alright.
It's actually bold. You want to take the picture too?
Yo, where are we going?
There's a castle ruin.
That way?
Just walking, just follow this thing. Like, all we gotta do is follow this little river thing, and then we get to the castle ruin. Now our ruin sounds cooler, right? I swear to God.
They're here. No. I like they're here.
Oh, tree. Very nice.
I didn't do nothing wrong. Haven't killed a cicada in my life. You want to kill someone? Kill the guy with the white jean.
No,
He killed one of your kind.
but two.
How is that making it better?
It means they'll fear me. They will fear me like they all should.
Oh.
Kill them, and when I'm desperate enough, you know what that was great with this situation right now? Quiet area, getting cicada. No, a river to ferry thing. You know, that'd be great for it. Throwing rocks to bury the rocks.
You said bury something. No, there's a forest. I had it when you put your ass up, and I zoomed it and it disappeared. Oh no! Oh, someone just.
Okay, so along the way we'll see a shrine. Oh, Alex, it's here. It's here. What is that? This was from the image, remember? With the little slope.
It's a huge stick.
Oh.
What is that?
I guess it looks better in spring.
Yeah, so all these trees would all be cherry blossoms.
Oh. Coming back here in March. Next year.
Yeah, our last semester here.
Alright, I'm gonna put this as a place to stay. I honest to God want to go to the UN. Oh shit! Dude, Alex. Boy.
What is that? You can take it out.
Told you can't.
So apparently, according to Google Maps, there's a shrine. Then after the shrine is a castle ruin. Alright, finally something to see. Also, I have a rock.
I didn't know there was castle ruins here.
I didn't know either until I saw on Google Maps.
Huh.
I kind of want to see what it looks like first.
I like touch the key.
Hey, there's a riverbed cherry blossoms place.
Sameo, sameo, anta ga suki de.
You know what this is great for?
Killing you.
Nah, throwing rocks.
Good. Oh my god.
I'm gonna keep this rock actually.
Souvenir.
Oh no, they cut out a
That's sad.
They cut out the dog and the kid.
Oh, why?
Eating dogs is not good. basically a top one. Gallery Ushin.
Are we same height?
Wait, how tall are you in centimeters?
I think you're the same.
I don't know centimeters. I only use inches.
No, I just grew like 1 centimeters, guys.
Are you like
I'm 166 now.
Because you drink
Yeah.
too much milk. 5'6".
Exactly.
Yeah.
You're 5'6"?
Huh.
I'm 5'5" last time.
Oh
You're feeling lucky, punk?
no, I
feeling
feel
lucky,
really
punk?
bad.
What?
They're playing catch.
Catchball.
Hey. Sorry,
I don't think the person who's throwing
I
it
just
can
don't have
throw
my
it.
dad.
みんなちょっと黙れ。
Oh
I
shit.
didn't play that with my dad.
Same.
Oh no, he's playing with himself.
I play farm work. That's sad.
Sad. Go up to him and be like, your dad is now my
Hey, I'll
dad.
be your dad. Hey, I'll be your dad. Son. Son. It smells like a lot like home.
Go up to the kid and be like,
The good old countryside.
I'm your new dad.
Oh, I thought ask your mom.
Shit. It is. The countryside is full of shit. Go to the kid and be like, all you can say is shit for me. What have we done to them? Ask your mom. What have we done to them? They have escaped.
The mom is like, what? I'm in the back said, oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I got a new watch.
Look cute. And then Yoda comes in. What?
Yoda comes and says, for the woman. Wait, was this bike like the other way around? What is what? He has rocks way down. He has way down.
Oh, that bridge looks pretty cool.
Oh, look at Sky Tree. Sky Tree?
Oh shit.
Oh shit, guys, we're in Paris.
Guys, is that Eiffel Tower? Oh no, it must be like Burj Khalifa.
Bridge Khalifa.
Is the castle?
Yeah, like here. Oh, where are we? We're here and it's over here. The little castle ruins is here.
So
Which
we,
is, why are we going that way? Why are we going that way?
guys,
It's straight that way. Oh, they're cute. Well, actually, what is that? Okay, so half a rice shop in front of us. Okay, this is right. Should be a rice shop.
You said it wrong, sir.
I think supposedly. Wait.
I said it's my dream.
Alex. that, dude.
What?
Oh, that's how you do it then.
This is for sitting by the sea.
What are they here for?
Smoking, we're gonna smoke.
Hey, Jen?
Wait, you're not kidding, right?
You're not gonna smoke in there, right? I'm on live TV.
What's in here? Oh.
It's a public space.
Look at the tea house. Exclamation mark.
Long. No, it's like this. Koedo. It's like this.
Yeah. Koedo. Kawagoe.
Are you fucked? Are you
I know
fucked?
when it's gonna be.
Yeah. Yeah, pleasure.
Yeah. I look at the car signals, so I'm psychic.
We're gonna TV.
Mio Casaro. If you're too hungry, we can just go in there. No. Are we gonna have dinner?
Yeah, we're not here.
When?
We can
Shut up.
No.
Yes.
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 No.
Oh, what is that?
That's where they bought the mask.
Well, the one with the best spot. Is it the best spot?
Yeah.
Yamaha.
Yamaha. Is the tax-free shop from? They have soft cream there. And it's tax-free. Clem.
You need your passport though if you want tax free.
I have my Turkish residence.
But they need your passport.
Toruko. I am Toruko. You are gobble gobble. Gobble. I am Shirojin. No, you're not. No. Middle Eastern. Midori. Midori. I'm green guy.
So you're
I'm alien.
Midori.
I'm alien. Yamabu.
Aren't we just water?
Water?
Or just water, you know?
Yeah, we're just bags of water.
That's certainly not water though. That's beer.
We're skeleton in a meat mech.
I'm just very
wanted Nihon Ichiban.
No. They sell this only for 100 yen, dude.
Nihon Ichiban.
They sold this only for 100 yen.
Whoa, that's so cool. Whoa.
But
I'm not saying the coolness. I'm saying the
you know what's cool? The Hello Kitty bag right here.
Oh yeah.
This is cool. Hello Kitty. Sports enrich our lives.
That's cool.
Oh, I think you should get your hair cut.
It is cold inside. You might as well.
Like my.
Your child is holding the thing as a No, they have to ding ding. Because if they don't ding ding, I was gonna crush on them on purpose from now.
I dropped that base because there was too much haze on your face.
Little Yoshi. That guy looks like a fucking statue. From the back, that guy looks like a statue. Oh yeah. Oh my god.
His hair is perfectly combed. Cool. No, don't tell me this.
Yo, pop the balloon.
You want? Poor guy, they're probably using him to carry stuff. Uber Eats. Uber Eats it. I think the places are closed, Bush.
Oh. 2-hour parking.
2 hours not enough. Alpha.
Isn't that the chicken you smelled earlier?
Yeah. Do you want that? I want doraya. Fuck you. No way. Yakitori. Oh, I want yakitori. And it's not chicken too, it's normal beef. Yeah. That's not chicken, that's beef. Beef.
I'm ready to go back there. Take one, and then like, oh, I thought it was
Beef cake.
Oh, hair cake.
Oh man, I love bald eye dupes. You like eye dupes? Oh, you know Leafy got that.
Leafy was here.
What do you want to
No, we want to go back now.
What do you want to eat? Dessert. What dessert you want to eat?
go back.
Okay, let's go back.
McDonald's ice cream. Oh, Wendy's
Yes,
ice cream.
Wendy's ice
Oh,
cream.
Wendy's.
Wait,
Yes.
do they?
They don't have Wendy's.
What are we fucking eating?
Can we go
You're
Wendy's?
gay,
They don't have Wendy's.